Howdy, I'm Azrael Cooper, and this is a quick progress update on Project Wonder. So one of the biggest updates come from Town World, so let's go take a look at that. You'll notice that the level design has been doubled with this extra left side. But before we get onto that, we have a cabin sub area. This is going to be like a spooky, scary cabin. I haven't done anything on this yet, but I thought I'd add it to make this area more interesting. I'm yet to add NPCs, but that's going to be the next thing I do. We have this left side now, which you can actually cross on the bridge. As you can see, we can now cross the bridge. It kind of obscures the player because the player head's the same color, which I will fix in the future. There's not much over here. It's more of the same as this side, except we have another house you can get into. And in the future, I want to add a big mansion up here. The next thing we can take a look at is actually not accessible yet, and that is back in Glow World. As you may notice, we have some paths now. And actually taking a look at the map, you can see I've designed this pathway. It starts off with this green section with the big glowing stars, and slowly moves its way to this yellow section with some obelisks. So this is what the green section looks like in-game. This is what the yellow section looks like in-game. And eventually down here we'll have a red section. I'm not sure what's going to be in it yet, but the idea for this world is you're going to have a big old loop. I'm thinking of adding chases. If you've ever played Yuminiki or Yumituki, they're these creatures that chase you around the map, and if they capture you, you're stuck and you have to reset. For mine, it probably won't be as rough. You'll probably get kicked back to the hub world rather than locked in a space. What I'm trying to do is draw out a framework for what I want the levels to be, and that's why Glow World is currently just a singular path, and Graveyard World and Farm World both have nothing in them. I only have about 5 weeks left to make this project, so I'm really trying to get everything I want to get in, despite it being bad or laggy or unfinished. So hopefully I can get that stuff done.